Hey there, creative friends. Hey, Rebecca here. And if you've seen a few of my most recent videos, you know that I have just purchased a 3D printer. And this is the Bamboo Lab. It's their smallest unit, and it's called the A1 Mini. And I'm just having so much fun. And so I've been printing all kinds of models that are out there on MakerWorld, and all kinds of existing designs. They're so cool. But what is so neat about one of these devices as a maker is I want to try to get better at making my own designs, and it's just so cool to have an idea and then try to design it, and then you can have an instant prototype. So I'm still just a beginner as far as this 3D modeling goes. I know I've tried different programs over the years, and they just don't come very natural to me. So I definitely need to keep practicing and working at it. But I have been trying to learn Bamboo Studio, and I have 3 different models to share with you. So come find me over on MakerWorld if any of you are out there. And then also let me know if you have some models. I'd love to try them if they'll print on an A1 Mini. I'm trying to save up for the AMS. So if they'll print on an A1 Mini without the AMS, then let me know. And I may print them and show them here as well. So, but look for my links down below. And so I've got 3 different models, and literally just for the sheer fun of making. You know, it's so fun every now and then to just make something just for fun. And so that's what this is. It's I think it was 3 millimeters thick. Here's what I printed it, and it's a triangle with just all these evenly spaced holes. So super easy model. I think I actually started in Inkscape so I could get the triangle and the holes as an SVG, and then took it over into Bamboo Studio to thicken it and print. And here's what I did with it. You can use those holes for different kinds of stitching patterns. And this just is so satisfying, for me at least. And so I printed 3 triangles, stitched each one, and then stitched them all together. And I will tell you, it was very difficult to stitch it up at the peak of the triangle there. But it's just so cool, and I think it would be really pretty over a tea light at night. So take a crack at that model if you have any interest. And yeah, the cat approved this one. This is not Sally. This one is Lucy. She doesn't usually get into my videos, so I was glad to see her show up and give her approval. All right, and then I've got another model out there. It's really the same thing, but I made it thinner and a little bit bigger so that the holes are big enough to get some of my good, juicy felt tip markers through. And it makes the coolest drawing tool. So if you need to draw some circles or just some triangles and straight lines and some really funky patterns as you kind of rotate each side down the paper, it was just a lot of fun. So I'm gonna be trying all kinds of cool patterns with this particular triangle, and then I'm gonna see if I can come up with some more designs. So this was my second model. And just kind of a variation of the triangles there. And then my last model is just a keychain. I used their sign maker to go in and make a keychain, and this was so easy with their software. And I did a solid color and then a two-tone color, and this will work without the AMS. So just so cool. It's nice and thin. You can use it as a bookmark as well as a keychain. So thanks for watching.